In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save time entering your transactions with the automatic recall feature in QuickBooks. If you find yourself spending too much time manually entering the same information every time you record a transaction, this is the guide for you. We'll walk you through how to set up this handy feature in QuickBooks so you can make data entry a breeze and focus on more important aspects of your business. To begin with, you'll need to sign in to your QuickBooks account. Start by navigating to the sign in page. Once there, you'll see an option to choose your platform. For this tutorial, make sure you select QuickBooks Online. This is key because we want to ensure you're on the right track to activate the automatic recall feature. Next, sign in with your credentials. A gentle reminder, always keep your login information secure and private. Once you've entered your details and have access to your account, you're ready to dive into the settings. Now, draw your attention to the settings icon, typically located on the top right corner of the dashboard. This is where you'll find all the main configurations for your account. Clicking on settings will present a variety of options, but for our purpose today we'll focus on account and settings. Once you're in the account and settings section, you'll notice multiple tabs available. Here, make sure to click on the tab labeled Advanced. This is where you'll find more in-depth options, including the automation features that will help streamline your transaction entry process. In the advanced section, find and click on the option titled Automation. This is crucial as it leads directly to the feature we're going to activate. Within the automation settings, there's an option labeled Pre-fill forms with previously entered content. By turning this on, you enable QuickBooks to automatically populate forms with data you've entered in the past for similar transactions. This can dramatically cut down on repetitive data entry tasks and help to prevent errors. After you've turned on this option, it's essential to click on Save to ensure that your preferences are updated and applied. This step is vital because without saving your changes, the settings won't take effect and you'll have to redo the steps. By following these instructions, you now have the automatic recall feature activated in your QuickBooks Online account, which should help you save a significant amount of time with transaction entries. Keep exploring and familiarizing yourself with the other features QuickBooks offers, as they can further optimize your financial management processes. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping!